Last week, gold went up more than $60 in vertical line on Friday on H1 time frame, and this was very dangerous moment for beginner trader because when FOMC press conference was started, first it went up, then came down, then on Friday it went up again. So it was going up and down and creating big confusion for bulls and bear. And this price action, first they were trading like support, then double bottom. On Friday they were trading like triple bottom. So this was technical buy signal, but it has a big fundamental reason because this week we have election in USA. So this last wave has now retraced more than 50% and next intraday target is 1686. This is your key resistance level, and if it goes above 1686, this level break, then next target will be 1727 and price can be bullish on H1 but long term is still bearish, and these two are key resistance 1727 and 1686. But to get complete understanding what is happening on this price level, the H4 time frame, first price made triple bottom after a FOMC meeting and it has broken this last resistance 1673, and H4 has big resistance 1727. This is the key resistance level. If this level breaks this week, then this was the permanent bottom for gold. Otherwise, this is a sideways correction. Either it reverses from 1686 or 1727, and this is your sideways range. But daily time frame give us clear picture from top to bottom. Our wave count WXY and ABC both are completed near 1622 level, and this can be a sideways correction, and last wave has retraced more than 50% in one day because it went up $50 in one day. So next target is 1727. Then we will decide that this will be bullish or bearish because next bearish trend start either below 1622 or when price make rejection at 1727. But this level breaks on daily time frame, then this will confirm a triple bottom on daily time frame, and you can expect at least correction for this entire trend, and minimum retracement target is 1789. Since this week we have two important news. First of all, US midterm election on November 8, then after that we have CPI on November 10. Because first said FOMC member, then last week Fed said they can decrease rate hike size, and if they raise only 50 basis point, this can be bullish for gold. But real thing is rate cut, and we have to wait until March. And fundamental reason for gold bullish trend is election. If Fed did same thing which happened in last stagflation cycle, that they stop raising interest rate in political pressure to save their boat, to save economy from recession before election, then this is confirmed stagflation and it was started on Friday, and this can be bottom for gold. And once it become clear, and this will happen this week, then gold will start flying and it will not stop until it make new all-time high at least 2200, because these are hedge fund. They are trading that current Fed chairman will make monetary policy to control inflation or influenced by political pressure, because immediately after election, if FOMC member does not change their tone, then this gold bullish trend will not stop. Or if they give signal after CPI number, and if it jumps again more than expectation number, because real thing is interest rate has to go above inflation rate, that is 8%. And if that happen, then gold can immediately collapse after election. So as a beginner trader, either you do not trade till CPI or you only trade after CPI, because if Fed does not change their monetary policy tone after election this week, then it will not stop flying until new Fed chairman come like Paul Volcker. Then gold will stop and will turn bearish. Or if this is Biden plan to stop market crash before election, then you do not have much time, just 1 week, and you have to wait till CPI. And if market does not break this 1727 level, then you can start selling, and market can immediately change its direction like Fed did in Jackson Hole meeting, because first they said 2% neutral rate, and now FOMC member also said on Friday that terminal rate will be higher compared to last time, and that terminal rate number will be public in December FOMC meeting. But till then it can make a correction, and hedge fund are right now betting that stagflation is started on Friday or not. So technically on daily time frame we have this 1727 level, and on time scale we have this week midterm election. And if this become clear after this week that Fed is influenced by political pressure from Biden, then they will not wait for inflation to 2% and they will start cutting interest rate next year, and that will start stagflation, because money will come out of everything and it will go only two things, either gold or Bitcoin, because until stagflation is over stock cannot go up. But for intraday trader H4 we have two level, first 1686 and 1734. And if hedge fund gave signal after election that this central banker is not Paul Volcker, because this triple bottom was beginning and this resistance breakout will be confirmation, because giving you this same warning for 2 weeks that this can be election drama, because once stock market start crashing, then gold will go down because of margin call, and stock market does not crash one day before election. And you as a beginner intraday trader focus on these two resistance and these two date on economic calendar. Then after CPI number on November 10 we will decide that this is bullish or bearish trend of gold.